Hello friends, let us start sound waves. As you have studied in lower classes, sound is a form of energy that causes hearing sensation. Next, sound waves are mechanical waves, that is, the waves which need medium for propagation. Sound waves show all properties of light like reflection, refraction, diffraction, transmission, but no polarization. As you will study in light waves, that the polarization occurs only for transverse waves. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. They do not show polarization. Polarization is a property of light or transverse wave which you will study in light waves portion. Velocity of sound wave is given by the relation v is equal to displacement of wave upon time taken. Here this diagram shows the wave motion from 0 to pi, from pi to 2 pi, it completes one cycle. This linear displacement of the wave in one complete cycle is known as wavelength, which is denoted by lambda. Time taken in one complete wave or cycle is known as time period. Therefore, the velocity will be equal to wavelength upon time period, means displacement in one complete cycle upon time taken in one complete cycle. And you know 1 upon t is frequency. Therefore, this relation can be written as v is equal to lambda into f, that is lambda into f or f lambda. So this is f into lambda, where lambda is wavelength. So v is equal to f into lambda. Next, we take progressive wave. Progressive wave and its equation. Progressive wave and its equation. The wave which moves forward with time is known as progressive wave. In this figure, in this diagram, the wave is traveling from or traveling in the positive direction of x, and from origin O it reaches at point, suppose at point P. This is point P, where the displacement of particle, means vertical displacement of particle, is y, and the total angle is phi. Suppose phi is the angle at point P. This angle is known as phase angle. Here phase angle phi will be equal to, as here you know or you see, in displacement lambda angle is 2 pi. So in displacement lambda angle is 2 pi. Therefore in displacement 1 angle will be 2 pi upon lambda, and therefore in displacement x. If this point is at distance x from origin, P is at displacement x from origin, then phi will be equal to 2 pi upon lambda into x, that is phase angle at point P. Maximum displacement from mean position is known as amplitude. This is amplitude, which may be denoted by A. Thus you can say the wave moving forward with the time, wave moving forward with the time, is called progressive wave. Figure 1 shows a progressive wave moving along the positive direction of x. At point P, where linear displacement is x, here linear displacement is x, the progressive wave equation will be, as you know, the simple harmonic wave equation is y is equal to a sin omega t. Here at point P, the phase angle being phi, which is 2 pi upon lambda into x, the wave equation will be y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx, or omega t minus phi, and this is also known as kx, where k is 2 pi upon lambda. So y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx, phi can be replaced by kx, a sin omega means 2 pi f or 2 pi by t. So 2 pi by t into t minus 2 pi upon lambda into x. Or y is equal to, because omega is equal to 2 pi by t is equal to angular velocity. So this equation can be written as a sin 2 pi may be taken common t upon t minus x upon lambda. This is suppose equation 1. This is the equation for progressive wave. Now you know v is equal to f lambda, therefore, and 1 upon t is equal to f. Therefore, you can write this equation in another form. Putting f is equal to 1 upon t equal to v by lambda, because v is equal to f lambda. In equation 1 we get y is equal to a sin 2 pi t into 1 upon t means b upon lambda minus x upon lambda. So this equation becomes a sin 2 pi 1 upon t can be replaced by b upon lambda. So b upon lambda into t minus x upon lambda, and 1 upon lambda may be taken out of bracket. We get a sin 2 pi upon lambda Vt minus x. So this is another form of progressive wave equation number 2. Thus, the progressive wave equation is y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx, or a sin 2 pi t upon t minus x upon lambda, or a sin 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. You can use any of these equations as per requirement. Now, the progressive wave equation for the wave moving in negative direction of x will be obtained by replacing these minus signs with plus signs. So, for a progressive wave, moving along negative x direction, y will be equal to a sin omega t plus kx, or a sin 2 pi t upon t plus x upon lambda, or a sin 2 pi by lambda bt plus x.